next we will find out the bearing of the line. Usually, whatever the bearing, whatever the angle, so angle and bearing almost both are same. There is a slight difference. Okay, I already explained about what is that difference between angle and bearing. So as I told earlier, so whatever the line considered, a system is there. Okay, this is the quadrant. So here to here it has been taken as 90 degree, 90 degree. From here to here it has been taken as from here to here, that means exactly from here to here it has been taken as 180 degree. If you go forward it will be 270 degree. So if you go further it will be again, it will be 0 degree or 360 degree. Okay, so this is how the quadrant 360 degree, it will be divided into 4 quadrant. But usually, so whatever the compass are there, I told for every compass the magnetic north will be there. Okay, this is called as north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. Okay, so usually wherever the north portion are there, that will be shown, or that will be indicated with the symbol of this arrow mark. Where the arrow mark is there, that indicates that is a north. Usually where the north side will be there, that we will show by this arrow mark. Okay, so usually north in the drawing also we will show like this. Okay, this indicates this is the direction of the north. Another opposite end, so opposite end is this one. Okay, this will be south. Okay, right side will be east and left side will be west. Okay, so this is how the side north, east, west side will be divided. Okay, so next there is a, I told for finding the angle there is a two types of the systems which is being used. Okay, so one is whole circle bearing or azimuthal system, another is a there is a two types of the bearing system is there. One is whole circle bearing, another is a quadrantal bearing. What is this whole circle bearing and what is this quadrantal bearing? Very important, very important type of the bearings. You compulsory you should know the difference between these two types of the bearings. Okay, so whatever I told, the quadrantal bearing, the importance of the quadrantal bearing in this model is very less. Okay, no need to no need to work on, no need, the problem on this quadrantal bearing will be very less. But conversion from whole circle bearing and to from quadrantal bearing is some question you will get it in sometimes while doing the problems. This quadrantal bearing, the knowledge of the quadrantal bearing will give the it will be very convenient to solve the problems. Okay, so that's why it is very important to know the difference, exactly what is whole circle bearing and what is quadrantal bearing, and the difference between the whole circle bearing and the quadrantal bearing. So I told whole circle bearing, this is considered the circle is there. Okay, so this is what exactly the circle will be divided. Okay, so I told this is called as north. Okay, so from exactly this is what the north. Okay, if from here to here is 90 degree. Okay, so from here you are going further means it will be 180 degree. Okay, so this is 180 degree, so this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. So if you move forward further, again it will be 270 degree. Okay, so if you move forward it will be again 360 degree. Okay, this is how the angle will be. So if you move from one end to another end to another end to another, quadrant, one quadrant to another quadrant, to another quadrant, to first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. If you moving from one single point, from exactly from north to another end, this is called as a complete circle, as a whole circle. So this type of the circle is known as whole circle bearing. Okay, this type of is known as whole circle bearing. Okay, I will repeat once again. So to make convenient, okay, so you consider, okay, see exactly from here the angle, it may be a 60 degree. Okay, so if the line is here, okay, this is the line BC, survey line BC. So to respective north, the what is the angle? It may be a 120 degree. Okay, 120 degree. So this is another quadrant where the survey line is in the second quadrant. So this is considered, if this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and this is in fourth quadrant. Here the whatever, just I'm giving the exact quadrant, for giving the only for the understanding about this whole circle bearing, I'm just given the label of this quadrants. Okay, so this survey line is in the BC survey line is in the fourth quadrant, angle is 120 degree. But whatever the angle it is there, so you are finding from the reference from this survey line only. Okay, so now the survey line is in the another quadrant is here. So now again you are taking the angle from this end only, so from this angle only. So now consider this angle is maybe 210 degree. Okay, so angle is 210 degree. So this is the survey line of AB. So this AB survey line is 210 degree. So it is being taken from north only. Okay, so again now another survey line is here. Okay, A B. Now again the angle will be taken from here to here. So what is this angle? Maybe considered 270 degree. Okay, now so you are going from a whole circle, you are circling the a circle. Okay, so that is called as whole circle. Okay, so this type of the system is known as whole circle bearing. Next we will see about the quadrants. So there is a circle. Okay, okay, so this is the circle. Okay, so now the consider the line is here. Okay, line is here. Now you are finding the angle from, consider you are finding the angle, you may from the either from north, either from here also. You can find out the angle from anywhere else, from here or here. So this is known as quadrantal system. Okay, this is for the first line. Okay, for the second line is here. So you can find out the angle from either from here, either from here. Okay, so this is this this side is east, this is north, this is south, and this is west. Okay, you can call this as southeast line. Okay, southeast, you are east to south line, anywhere else, but no need to take from the north only. This finding, sorry, I will take from the finding from exactly from the north only is not needed. This, if whatever I'm showing in the green color, that is the whole circle bearing. If the whatever it is been shown in the green color, no, so the green color angle which if I'm finding the angle from the south side or east side, so that is known as quadrantal bearing. So if exactly if I found out the angle from exactly from north as a circle, that is known as whole circle bearing. If I'm found any from any quadrant, so consider there is a angle here. Okay, you can find out by here from the south, or you can find out by the west. If the another survey line, if you found out from the north, or found out from the west. So if you take finding the angle from the respective quadrants only means, So that is a quadrantal bearing. So as the name indicates, a quadrantal bearing. So that's very simple about the quadrantal bearing.